Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Top Tech and Investing here today, back with another video. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Stay around, stay to the end. Let me know if you like the video. Let me know. But you're like, why are you not showing us your portfolio? Because you know why? You ready? Are you ready? Boom! Damn. You remember when I said last video 1,000 by next week? Nah, bro. 1,277 by this week, baby, and it's a Tuesday. Like kind of the midweek update. So let's go over the month. Start off 950, right? Neo debit spreads. Kind of went to a doo doo, right? It went down, and then I sold out of them early, I believe, and then I had that really risky AMD debit spread, as well as Neo went down that day, and AMD went down as well, and the debit spreads just went out to absolutely nothing. Or not nothing. I sold out of them with $100 loss. I put in 220 to be exact. I lost 110. So that put me at a pretty deep deficit. I was kind of nervous. I was like, damn, will I be able to recover from this? Dude, whew. And then Neo, thank God, saved my portfolio the next morning when my debit spreads were all up. Neo was up. So I kind of cut my losses on the AMD. Lost $100, whatever. At least I didn't lose the whole thing. And then we kept climbing. But then this week is where it all changed. Or last week, Friday, is where it all changed. So if we zoom in, you see this? You see from this point to this point where it made me go from the $900 range to the $1,000 range was this quick play. It was a Tilray scalp. I scalped Tilray. So I don't usually scalp. I don't usually day trade. I usually do debit spreads. Now since I have a little bit of a larger account, I'm gonna do calls and debit spreads now. So, but let's look at this. This is a pure call on Tilray. So as you can see, $11 call, 11.13, and Tilray was booming. Tilray was absolutely just a monster. It kept on going up. You didn't care. So I bought it at 123. And Tilray, if you just look at Tilray last Friday to explain this better, if you go week now it's absolute doo doo, but it's bad. So what? That was for Friday, right? Friday was the 6th, I believe. Yeah, the 6th. So I bought it around here. It spiked up to 12 actually. It's not showing the real, or if we went to the candlesticks, it showed that it went to 12. I sold at the exact top. It was crazy. I sold at the top at 12. I turned 123 into 250, over 100% in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. I scalped it really quickly. That was the first scalp. I was like, holy, I've never really scalped before. That was pretty cool. In and out real quick. The other thing that boosted my account today actually was, if you remember, the BA debit spreads, right? The Boeing debit spreads that I got into last week. I got the 195 $200 calls for January 15th at $45. That's $5 difference. That's $45 into 500. Potentially if I let it go into expiration. And I was like, what? Dude, that's way too cheap. Boeing at the time was at 150, and I was like, dude, Boeing is just, any news on the vaccine, any news on one of the Boeing, the 737 Airbuses, any news on that getting approved by the FAA with their new regulations, any news on that will make it pop. And surprisingly, today I sold out of them. I wanted to book in some profit. I sold them at 180. That's 45 to 180. Whoo! That's 300% profit. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that, man. That's 300% profit. It was incredible. Wow. 300% profit, 45 to 180. I honestly didn't think it would be this soon, but Boeing did pop. Boeing's been treating me nicely. As if we take a look at Boeing's at 190. After hours, it's been treating me nicely. But yeah, as you see, we bought it on November 2nd, so around that, it was around 150, 149 ish, high 140s, and boom, $38 all in the span of a week. So I'm satisfied with that. Extremely satisfied. And now if we take a look, would also boost my portfolio. I got a BA call, 250 call for January 15th. So now this is just a straight up call. This is not a debit spread. The debit spread did come in handy. I did get a lot from that, $135, which really boosted my portfolio this week. And then this, I'm at $44 on it. I got a lot of time on it. Any news of a stimulus, of really anything, really. As the market goes up, I believe, till December, I think this could easily go over 200, and this will really boost this to over 400, 500, perhaps 600, 700, 800. If I'm lucky, I'm not really expecting it to go that high. I might not. I don't want to risk it just like dropping. I'm not sure. I don't really have a target for it, but I'm just gonna be there. I would start considering to sell maybe if it goes to 200, 210 maybe. I'm not sure if it even go that high this week or the next week, but I'm sure it'll go above 200 within the next few coming weeks. So I sold out of a lot of my Neo debit spreads. I wanted to book in some profit. The Baba call, a debit spread, it hit 30. It hit 30, right? And I have no idea why I did not sell. Look, like it hit 25. I don't know why I didn't sell, right? I was kind of greedy. If you look at Baba, it kind of went from the low 260s to 290s, right? Yeah. No. It went from it was at the 290s. I thought it would go higher. It didn't. It kept going down until today it just dropped to 260s, 270s, and I was like, damn. So I'm kind of on the edge about those. I might just sell it. It's only worth $5, but I don't know. I might just keep it. Whatever. It's for next week, for November the 20th. So whatever. If I get a few dollars extra back, I'm fine with that. BA call. I'm still into those Neo debit spreads. I got into Fisker. That's another stock that I'm invested to now. Fisker ran up. I got these at the top. Actually, I bought them at the top, and they just dropped after immediately. I got these at 93. Now they're at 60. I lost $33 on those, but it's fine. I own Fisker now. I own 7 shares. I think they're a great company long term. If we look at Fisker themselves, only about $957 million market cap. I think if you look at Nikola didn't have a single vehicle out, right? And they're worth $6.83 billion. Like, my guy, what? Just based off of hype. $6.83 billion just single-handedly just based off of hype. Fisker has like a lot of prototypes on the road. They have videos of them. They're real, not gravity powered, like Nikola. Don't mean to clown on them. I mean, I want the whole EV sector to kind of rise up, but just to clown on them a little bit, gravity powered. So I believe that they do have a lot of potential, even $5 billion, right? Or let's see where Nikola is. They're at $7 billion ish, right? For approximating. So if we go 70 divided by 9.5. So if we go 70 divided by 9.5, that's current. That's like scaled down, equivalent of the billions. So 7.36 times $14. That'll leave them at a share price of 103 times the 7 shares we have. Boom, this is 722. So that's 98 into $722. That's kind of ideal. That's them 10xing. So I'm not really sure we'll do that in the near term, but they plan to have cars out in 2022. So I think that they'll definitely go up. I think they're really undervalued right now. At $1 billion, either though they don't have any sales out, I think it's a really good buy. It's a really good steal for the future. Look back at the portfolio. Added $10 more Bitcoin, $10 more Bitcoin, or $15 more Bitcoin. And this is more long term. I'm not really gonna touch it. Whatever. But yeah, that's majority of the plays. And I'm at 1,270, baby. Today we hit a high of 1,376. We almost hit that $1,400 mark, but it's crazy. We're almost there. We're almost there, baby. If that Boeing play hits, that would be insane. I think it will. We have a lot of time on those. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Means the world to me. Let me know what you want to see. on this channel, what you want me to talk about. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Make sure to use my Robinhood referral link down in the description below. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. Who doesn't like free money? I mean, tell your mom, your grandma, your grandpa. Let them sign up. They get a free stock. I know they're happy to get a free stock. We all get a free stock. Free money, right? Yeah, I'm excited to see where Neo goes. Neo went down a little bit today, but aside, I think this consolidation is healthy. But that's aside this point. Have a good day. Have an excellent day, all right? And I'm out. Peace.